Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers. Today we'll be discussing about the design of a simple glass with some extension to turn it into a mug, and it would be a very simple sketch and a very simple procedure, but it's something that we usually use in our day-to-day lives, so I'm just making it pretty simple. So let's go for it. And for that, initially in the front plane, let's start a sketch. Look normal too. And it's just gonna be a simple line, area segment that would initially turn into a solid, and we'll be showing how to enlarge the lower portion of it. So for that, we just revolve it, choose the axis to be this one, and it's more like just a cup. And now we'll go for the shell feature, remove this face, show the preview, and for multi-thickness we use this face as higher thickness, and we just increase the thickness a little. There, we just now edit the sketch for a little more aesthetics. Just make it a little longer, let's say 0.2. And we might just reduce the thickness of the wall as well, and we turn it into 0.005. And now we just change the material. Into a glass. And we may just add a little handle to it. For that, we just start a sketch on the front plane. For that, it would just pierce through this one, be a little tangent to this, and be further tangent to this one. And it would be similar to the sub that we made in some of our previous tutorials. So we just make it plain, which would be parallel to right plane and going through this point. Since this isn't taking the snap, we just suppress the revolve element. And now just choose the right plane and this point. And we sketch on it a little simple circle. Or maybe we can just go for the ellipse. Unsuppress these features and just go for the sub base with a profile would be this one, and the path is this line. And this would be glass, and we can just change the color of it. Let's put the red spray. We can just change the colors, or maybe just change it into green glass. We can just go for the textures. There, much better. And now if we want this to be rendered, we can just go for the rendering tool in SolidWorks, and that would be in some of the add-ins. It is a really powerful rendering tool, even though you might just use some other rendering tools as well. So you need to choose which portion to show, which view to show. Let's say choose from this side and go for the final render. The rendering time would be depending upon the processors, the graphics capacity of your computer. So let's just wait for a little bit. There it is, and we could just change the decals. Let's say we just go for the kitchen background. And we could just render another one. And there's our glass in the kitchen, and you could just save it as a JPG, or any of the features, any of the extension files that you need. So I'll just be going for the time movement as JPEG. That would be glass in the kitchen. Now we could have just filleted out these sharp corners, and for that we go to fillet, and in this case we use full round fillet. For that, SolidWorks demands 3 parameters, 3 faces to inputs, and the middle face would be the one which would be completely filleted out. So for the first plane we choose the inner surface, for the second one this middle surface, and for the third one the outer surface. SolidWorks shows us a preview. This entire face would be filleted out. Let's say click OK. That's much better. And now we also fillet these corners. For the time being we select this fillet expert and choose these regions. And that's much better. And you could just modify the texture out here and apply the desired texture you needed in your life from other files that you need. We will be showing that in some other videos, and that would be all for this video. If you have liked it, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.